Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to encounter the gamma waves. Notice the wavelength is in the range of 9.5 times 10 to the power minus 15 meters. The waves range from 10 to the power minus 11 to 10 to the power minus 15 approximately. However, their frequency ranges from 10 to the power 19 to 10 to the power 23 Hz. If we move the slider further, as you can see, we get an enlarged view. Now let's click the information button to know more about the gamma rays. So they come from some radioactive substances and stars. We can detect them with a Mueller tube or photographic plates. We use them in radiotherapy for irradiating food and for sterilizing medical equipment. However, they can be dangerous because they alter the DNA in living cells. This can cause cancer and other mutations.